Now that I've given you an overview of the Microsoft Learn for Educators program, I'm going to show you how to join. As a faculty member, you can join in one of two ways. Say you are interested in incorporating Microsoft Fundamentals or Advanced Role-Based Curriculum and Certification into your own classes. Then you will want to join as an individual educator. This will give you access to the materials, as well as Microsoft Virtual Training Days, virtual educator prep sessions, tools for curriculum integration, access to office hours, tools for teaching, our Microsoft Teams-based online global educator community, as well as discounted practice exams and certification exams for yourself, and discounted lab seats for your students. If, however, there are multiple faculty members at your school interested in establishing a relationship with Microsoft Learn for Educators at the department, program, school, or institution level, then I recommend you explore the educational institution option. However, please review the business terms before applying to ensure your institution can meet the program requirements. Microsoft Learn for Educators is not able to accept every educational institution that applies into our program. For those that are selected, we ensure they are supported by a training program manager, receive data and insights reporting, and have tools and support for joint PR opportunities to showcase their work and achievements through the collaboration with Microsoft. First, open a browser and enter aka.ms/MSLE. This will take you to our program page. As I scroll through the landing page, I select Get Started. This takes me to the program overview page. You can review this page as it provides you with all of the details about both the individual educator and the educational institution program offerings. While I covered a great many things across the past units, this page is the place to go for all of the details and the latest updates. From here, I review the program options and select the Sign Up button. As I am an individual educator, I'm going to scroll to the individual educator header and select Apply using your Microsoft account. Please allow up to 3 business days to verify and activate your access. You will receive an email once your account is verified. If you're joining as a part of an institution, when you are creating your profile, please make sure that you enter the information as per the email you have received. We are really excited that you are joining Microsoft Learn for Educators. Thank you for letting us partner with you to help your students for future careers.